This is Rahul Saraf, and I took the networking courses on 2018 as a CCNA. In the first, like my friend told me from the YouTube, and it was really good. I had a good experience, and from that course, I joined the Flipkart. And then after back here to in 2021, I joined a CCNP NRC, and over there I just come back to get the in-depth knowledge about the NRC module. And then after I joined SCL Technology, and as of now I'm working as a network specialist. And in the Flipkart I was working as a system engineer. Okay, and like then after I took all passes where the all courses, the cloud computing, Linux, and ethical hacking, all the courses is available over there. And I really have a good experience with networkings. I do recommend networkings to anyone can join, and they are giving a better uh, all the supports. I can say it's all about the good. Anyone can join networkings in the blind. Like,
Hey everyone, this is Himanshu and I'm from Bihar. Currently, I am a part of the Networking Kings and I am taking up a course which is network engineering. So with this, the course, it's about a CCNA, CCNP I have enrolled with, and the trainer Atul sir, he is like a fabulous trainer, and he have been taught us a lot of things for this particular network engineering courses. So I would highly recommend everyone to join this networking so that we can improve and we can learn a lot more things for that. Thank you.
I am 𝐊𝐤𝐭𝐰𝐨 from Hyderabad. I have more than 10 plus years of work experience, primarily into programming and development. I joined Networkings in November 2021. The intent was to learn the network fundamentals so that I can get into the cloud technology world. The videos were quite informative, covering a lot of network fundamentals as well as you know advanced topics. Also, the labs given by networkings as well as the job referral program, job assistance program, they also turned out to be very useful. I would recommend networkings to my friends and relatives because um, the staff, the videos, and all provided by networkings, they are quite informative as well as helpful. One of the best parts of networkings is the live classes conducted by faculty like Mr. Atul Sharma, which are very informative as well as uh, gives us real-time experience. Even the staff are uh, uh, guys who have the folks have worked in the corporate sector. They have hands-on experience with the technologies they are teaching. That's the best part of networking. Thank you.
So, hi everyone. My name is Deepak Maurya, and I am a working professional as a network security engineer in AdTech Solution. I have a work experience of 2.5 year of experience, and I am working as a senior network security engineer. So, I mean, I have the hands-on experience of the routing switching part, but on the less on the more into the security part. So I have been following the networking since last 3 years of my starting career. So I have been familiar with the networking families and how they teach to the student, how they are placement. So when I started my journey as I was a network engineer. Okay, so after completion of 1 year, I have been selected for the network security role. But for that initial stage, as a network security engineer, lots of uh, lots of challenges I was facing. I directly work on the firewall, which I have didn't work in my entire journey. So means I get some things from my colleagues, but the main reason of the network security course, which I have been purchased from the Network Kings, is that I get some, from the basic concept, like from the scratch and to the expert level. Like I have been selected, I have been chosen the course in the Network Kings of Firewall combo. It contains checkpoint firewalls and checkpoint firewall. After that, it's complete for the load balancer. After that, Palo Alto. So I have been completed the checkpoint firewall, and in my company there is already our production running on the.
Hi, my name is Divya. I'm from Delhi. मैंने अतुल सर का वीकेंड सेशन ज्वाइन किया है और काफ़ी अच्छा उन्होंने समझाया। ऑल्दो मैं 7 साल का मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है नेटवर्किंग में, बट उन्होंने जिस तरह से समझाया, मैंने उनकी क्लासेस ली ऑनलाइन सेशन, और उन्होंने बेसिक से लेकर एडवांस तक काफ़ी कुछ समझाया। नॉलेज थी मुझे, बट दे हैव make me confident about all my basics to advanced concepts। और साथ ही साथ उन्होंने खुद भी प्रैक्टिकल्स करवाए क्लासेस में, और जो आजकल रियल टाइम सिनेरियो चल रहा है, लाइक एसडी वैन, थोड़ा बहुत उसका भी एक्सपोजर मिला। ट्रबल शूटिंग कैसे करनी है लाइव सिनेरियो में इन कंपनीज, तो उसका भी एक्सपीरियंस मिला। एज दे हैव वर्क विद सिस्को, उन्होंने भी काम किया है, तो उसकी वजह से भी काफ़ी लाइव जो हमारे केसेस आते हैं कंपनीज में वाइल वी आर डूइंग, उसके बारे में उन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ बताया कि ट्रबल शूटिंग कैसे हैंडल करना है, तो उसकी वजह से मेरा इंटरव्यू काफ़ी अच्छा गया। सो आई एम वर्किंग विद 𝐍𝐞𝐭𝐰𝐨 राइट नाउ, सो इसलिए आई कैन क्रैक माई इंटरव्यू, आई एम सर्विंग माई नोटिस, सो they help me a lot, the all networking teams. So yeah, I recommend my friends also here. I provide that YouTube videos to my friends. There are a lot of videos there, like 10 घंटे में CCNA का भी videos है, काफ़ी courses है, not just CCNA। अभी तो मैंने CCNA ही किया है, but I'm looking for Linux and AWS there। So with job you can take classes here, like weekend batches हैं, आप shift timing के अलावा भी कई सारे batches आप join कर सकते हैं, so it's a plus point। और साथ
myself 𝐍𝐞𝐭𝐰𝐨। I basically belongs to Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and talking about Atul sir, oh my god, that's a name enough to just keep one smile on my face. I've just got about networking only one month before, like what about they are considering some courses, some phases. So basically I was doing CCNA apart from other institute, but due to their false like parameters, false promises, I've just stuck on job, like I haven't got job yet. But when I have gone to Atul sir, I have discussed that what happened with me. Then they have just politely replied that if you are able to do job in our institute also, then you can come to Chandigarh. I will make your tickets and please come and join your networking. So that moment was like, oh my god, my big brother is here. So yeah, the voice, and I was so much excited. I've told my parents that now we are in now we are in right path, and someone is really showing the way which is really best for us. So yeah, I have joined CCNP from networkings, and due to low budget, I was just going for in RC1. But Atul sir have provided me CCNA videos, ASA firewall videos, encore videos, communication skills, plus all the मतलब जो भी मतलब मेरे लिए जो भी बेस्ट है उन्होंने सब कुछ प्रोवाइड किया. So that's a very good part of being in networking right now, and really I'm enjoying the video. मतलब their methods are like 5 toffees, 5 chocolates, which we used to study in school life. So their methods बिल्कुल attack in my mind and deep throat get towards minding. So that's the best part to being in networking right now. So guys, I really from my heart I want to recommend you that if you are looking for IT future, or if you are looking that someone hold your hands and make your growth to a very good field, then you should really come to networkings right now. You should have a conversation with staff. You should have a conversation with all the HRs here. They are really so helpful, and that's all we want, right, in our world, that we could trust anyone. So please come to networkings and join our growth with us.
My name is Akash, and I have recently joined CCNA, CCNP, and Firewall courses in networking. So they are providing the excellent coaching, and my tutor is Atul sir. He's the best in the market. He's also, so the networking has industrial specialist. They are also helping in career guidance, and they are also providing free communication classes that will excel in your career growth. And I will definitely share this platform with my relatives and friends so that they can also boost their career. Thank you.
My name is Hassan Fahad. I work in HL Technologies, part of network operations team. I enrolled in Network Kings for the 𝐍𝐤𝐴 course, and my trainer was Pankaj. I think he was a really great guy. He had an in-depth knowledge of the basic technologies like the routing, switching, and the firewall, and also, to build up the base. Then moved towards the 𝐶VN technologies, and then we also had a pretty good lab, in-depth understanding of all the controllers, the VA, the vManage, vBond, and all that stuff. So it was a pretty good experience, and we also so it was a good experience with Network Kings in overall. And I would like to, the classes were regular, the classes were on time. In fact, the trainer would extend the classes to cover if any point was missed, or if anyone has any questions on all that. So yeah, it was overall a pretty good experience with Network Kings.
My name is Amit Singh. I have opted CCNA and Firewall combo courses, which includes Palo Alto, checkpoints, and F5. The reason behind the choosing this courses was the technical expertise trainer in Network Kings. This course helped me by gaining technical knowledge. Earlier, when I was working with my previous company, I was having lack of knowledge of networks and also the firewalls. After joining this course, I have gained more knowledges, helped me to in the implementation part also after that. So I recommend everyone, you should join these networking courses. Basically, if you are a fresher, you can join the CCNA course. If you want to enhance your career, and the second level, you can join CCNP plus Firewall combo course. The networking managements are very good. They will help you in solving your one-to-one query. That means a single problem. Also, they help us to solve these questions. So I recommend everyone, even you are a fresher or experienced guy, you can join networkings. Definitely, you will gain knowledge from the networkings. Technical expertise will gain, and also they help us in the placement assistance also. One more thing, that is placement assistant. They help us to get interview with the MNCs, whatever the requirement. So you can go for the networkings. Thank you.
My name is Rajneesh Dabral. I stay in New Delhi, and I'm pursuing Azure 104 from networkings. Here, teachers are industry experts, and they clear all your doubts, not just from the courses, but also from apart from other courses as well, if you ask them within that course. And also, networkings provide you the job support for betterment of your career. And I would recommend to my friends and family, whosoever requires any kind of job support or any guidance into IT sector, and or a fresher, if he or she wants to enter into it, they can always check with networkings. They will help you out in any case. They provide good guidance as well.
Desai. I took CCNA, CCNP, and Palo Alto training from Network Kings. I got to learn from Atul sir and Pankaj sir. And I got to learn a lot from their years of experience in this field, which is network and networking and network security field. at the end of the course, I got placement assistance as well. And I forgot to mention about the complementary communication classes and lab access. In the labs, we could perform all the uh, labs virtually, and we could practice hands-on. So I would highly recommend Network Kings to my friends and family.
My name is Abhishek Shrivastava. I am from Madhya Pradesh. रिसेंटली मैंने CCNP इंटरप्राइज किया है नेटवर्किंग से। मेरे ट्रेनर अतुल शर्मा सर थे। सर की टीचिंग स्टाइल बहुत अच्छी है। सर ने बहुत अच्छे से गाइड किया। सबसे अच्छी बात नेटवर्किंग्स की है, ये करियर गाइडेंस सेशन प्रोवाइड कराते हैं, उसमें सब कुछ इन्हें डाउट्स क्लियर करते हैं और क्लासेस में हर एक डाउट्स हमारे क्लियर होते हैं। सर से कुछ भी पूछो, कभी कोई चीज़ के लिए मना नहीं करते, सब चीज़ बराबर एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। यहाँ लैब फैसिलिटी भी अच्छी है कोचिंग की, साथ में ये कम्युनिकेशन क्लासेस प्रोवाइड कराते हैं, उससे मेरी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई। और साथ में ये प्लेसमेंट असेसमेंट कराते हैं, वो भी मेरे को बहुत हेल्प हुआ। मैं चाहूँगा कि मेरे और भी फ्रेंड जो होंगे, मैं उनको भी बोलूँगा कि वो यहाँ के क्लासेस अटेंड करें और उनको भी कहूँगा कि यहाँ से ट्रेनिंग लें। थैंक यू।
Chopre from Maharashtra. I'm living in Navi Mumbai. Actually, I started working in MindGate since last 3 years. And the first course I did with networking is CCNA. That time I had no any knowledge about networking, but Atul Sharma was there who helped me a lot. And due to him, I changed my first job actually, and they helped me a lot. They guide me how to give, how to configure the topics, how to clear the concepts. So he helped me a lot. Then from that I did CCNA security, then CCNP, and just I completed the FortiGate firewall course from networkings. So I am looking for a great future ahead. And the engineers who has with the networkings, actually they are real industry engineers. So they have a real, guys. So I was saying that the engineers in networking, they have a real industry experts, and they have good knowledge, so they can train you such in good manners and good way, so it will help you in the future. So you can change the job, you can grab the new opportunities actually. So I will recommend you all to join networking for IT industry, who want to join in IT industry as a networking for developer, tester, and for a cloud also, so they can help you out. So this is my feedback regarding networking. Yeah.
My name is Wasit Ali. I'm the excellent of networking. Currently, I'm working in an MNC company, and I was the student of networking. I joined networking in May 2020. It was at the Corona period when I joined the networking as a student. So actually, I wanted to join networking. I want to learn CCNA, but because of the COVID, offline coaching is not possible. So one day I was searching on the internet about the CCNA, and I found networking's name there. So I also searched the networking on YouTube. So I have found many videos of the Atul sir, and that videos cleared my lots of doubt. So I got the information that there is going to start the new batch of CCNA. So I just contacted networkings and I joined the networking as a CCNA student in 2020 May. So earlier I was worried about how I will get the notes, how I will get the training from the networking, because this is my first time. Before networking, I have never taken any online coaching. So I was just worried about the notes and all the thing, how the online classes will go. So, but after taking training from networking, Atul sir was my teacher. He was a very good teacher of a network. He taught me a lot of things. So he gave me the confidence that I can go further in my career. So I have completed my CCNA from networking, and I also completed my CCNP also. And in future, I will also I will also join the Firewall courses. So it was a great journey with networking, and I'm very happy how they teach, how they are teaching their students. They are helping us in getting job. They are helping us by giving the communication classes and all the things. So it's whoever is thinking to join networking, please go ahead. It's a nice platform. It will give you quality teaching, and it will help to grow in your career. Thank you very much.
My name is Saurabh Kumar. I have done my BTech from Computer Science Engineering. Since my BTech, I was curious about networking domain especially, and throughout the research on networking domain, I got to know about networking, and I learned about the course you are offering, phase 1 course, which includes CCNA, MCSA, and Red Hat Linux. I have completed my CCNA and Linux, and right now I am doing MCSA course. The most beautiful thing about network things is the confidence the trainer gives you. I know about some other institutes also. They also teach us CCNA and other courses, but the confidence they give you about the content, about the knowledge you are providing is brilliant. And the one thing that boosts up the confidence is practical knowledge. Like the trainer themselves are from corporate world and trained, and they are teaching, they are training, giving the training since 11 years and more. So that's the plus point. And also the lab access and the practical we were doing throughout the session of CCNA and Linux. The number of hours they provide in practical, the free hand they give to the student, that whatever they want to do in the lab they can do and learn from the practical. So this was a very beautiful thing. And in Linux also, I was very new to Linux. I didn't know ABCD of the Linux, but throughout the full course, I'll not say I am pro in it, but I know a lot about Linux, Red Hat Linux now. And currently I am doing MCSA on Windows Server 16, and I am learning a lot from this also.
Good morning. My name is 𝐍𝐞𝐭𝐰𝐨. Basically, I'm belonging from electrical engineering background, but to seeing the condition, I just decided to switch in a IT field. So I search over Google, over internet, that which kind of field or which kind of things from where I can get to know, like how can I involve in IT field. So I just started learning, seeing things on Google, and I see firstly networking. So I just watched few videos on YouTube of Atul Sharma sir. So I just get to know like how the thing is working in networking. So I just decided that yeah, I will enroll for the course. So I just take phase 1 course in networking in the month of October, and over there I just learned so many things. Like in phase 1 I just got 3 courses, Linux, CCNA and MCSA, and one gift course, I can say. One course is there like for communication skill. So all these 4 things can make me like a professional, like it gave me some sort of idea that how can I get a job in any IT industry, any IT company. So I just work on things. I just watch the videos, and also like in networking I got also the lab access. Over there I can get to know what is the real environment in IT industry. So within 3 months I just got my first job in MAO as a product engineer. So I'm so happy to be the part of it, and also for someone who wants to join this, who wants to work in IT industry, or also the freshers one who wants to join in IT, who willing to be in IT company, so they can refer also networking. So this is all about me. Thank you. As
Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Ankit Yadav, and basically I'm an electrical engineer. But to seeing the condition, I just decided to switch in a networking field. So I just search on internet that which course can be, which course can give me the real idea, like how can I involve in networking. So I just search on Google and I found networking. So over there, I just watched so many videos of Atul Sharma sir. Uh, so I just decided that yeah, I should take this course. So in the month of October, I just take phase 1 course, and within 3 months, I just got my first job. But in I must tell you that in phase 1, there are 3 courses: Linux, CCNA, and MCSA. And one thing more, like I also get idea about how can I communicate or how can I give my interview easily. So there is one course also, and it gave me a boost, that how can I sit in an interview and how can I easily communicate with the interviewer. So yeah, it gave me a kind of boost. And if I uh, club it all together, so it makes me a better man, and I get my job and I really enjoy it. And I must say that if you are fresher, or if you are working in any organization, so if you are a fresher, so I must say that you will definitely join it. And if you are the working in any organization, so you must also join for better career growth. So yeah, this is all about me. Like,
It's Naveen, and I've joined the Network Kings in March for the Linux Red Hat Certified System Admin. And the teacher is very good. His name is Amit Bhatt, and he's a very good experience in industry as well as teaching. And he cleared all the doubts that I have. And the networking also provide the communication skill and resume building free of cost. So I really highly recommend to join the networking. Thank you.
I'm Sabarinathan from Tamil Nadu. I'm doing a CCNA course from Network Kings, and Atul Sharma is my teacher. He's an industry expert and he always clears all my doubts. They provide us free communication class, placement assistance, and resume building. Lab access is there for our practical knowledge. I'll highly recommend Network Kings to my family and friends if they want to see themselves as a great engineer. Thank you.